Hello class 11th, welcome back dear student. This is the video number 5 of chapter number 1, the living world. In this particular video, we will study about the taxonomic category or hierarchy. So let's start to see what is taxonomical category or taxonomical hierarchy. This is very important topic. Just have a look dear class. It is a ranking system or level system. Taxonomic category means the categorization of organism, the categorization of characters. On the basis of particular characters, the organism are categorized or provide a ranking system, stepwise ranking system, or we can say that we provide a level, just like species, genus, family, order, class, phylum and kingdom. So one step to another step on the basis of their particular characters, we categorize and we provide a ranking system of the organism, and this level or this ranking system of taxonomic category is known as taxonomical hierarchy or category. Stepwise ascending order implementation of characters, togetherness of characters is known as hierarchy or category. Okay, so this is the taxonomical hierarchy. There are 7 categories of these hierarchy. There are 7 ranking system of classification. There are 7 ranking system of representation of these category, and each category represent a rank. Okay, and these rank is known as taxon. In singular it is a taxon, but in plural it is say as a taxa. Okay, so each category, each ranking system, each level is known as a taxon, single taxon or single ranking system. Let us see the example. The highest taxon or highest category is the kingdom. See, each level or each category, each ranking is known as a taxon. So we say that the highest category is kingdom, whereas the lowest category or lowest taxon is a species. This is the ascending order representation of a 7 category of hierarchy or taxon. So in the ascending order, the first one is the species. Just above the species, then genus, after them family, then order, then comes class, then phylum or division, or then finally comes kingdom. Division is used for plants. Division is used for plants and phylum is used for animals on the basis of their characters. So स्पीसीज में भी डिफरेंट कई सारी स्पीसीज हो सकती है, बट जीनस शुड बी वन, जीनस एक ही हो सकता है. जैसे पैंथेरा, पैंथेरा इज ए नेम ऑफ जीनस बट दे हैव 3 स्पीसीज. सी द एग्जांपल, पैंथेरा, it is a name of genus but it has Leo species, it has Pardus species and it has Tigris species. Okay, Panthera leo, Panthera pardus and Panthera tigris. See, Panthera tigris is a tiger, Panthera pardus is a leopard and Panthera leo is a snow leopard. So these are the 3 category of Panthera. Genus is same but species should be different. So the sum up of species, the group of species is known as genus. 1, 2, 3, 4, so many genus mixed together and form a family. So many family mixed together and form a order. So many order mixed together and form a class which have single characters. So many classes mixed together and form a phylum or division, and so many phylum mixed together and form a kingdom. For example, phylum Chordata, phylum Echinodermata, phylum Mollusca, phylum Echinodermata, phylum Arthropoda, phylum Protozoa, phylum Porifera. So many phylum mix together and they form a single kingdom, that is the kingdom Animalia. Just see two examples I took here. One is the scientific or biological classification or taxonomical hierarchy of humans, and one is the mango. This is the taxonomical classification of human which is given in SCRT book, and this is for mango. टेबल 1.1 पे दिया हुआ है, आप वहाँ पे और भी प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स का हायरार्चिकल क्लासिफिकेशन दिया है, वहाँ से देख सकते हैं. So see, if we going for write the classification of human being, so the kingdom of human is Animalia kingdom. Okay. The phylum of human is Chordata because they possess a cord-like structure, notochord. Notochord is the characteristic features found in the human being. So phylum is Chordata. Class is Mammalia because they bear the mammary glands and all the body is covered with small hair-like structure. So they bear the mammary gland for feeding their young ones. So Mammalia, class is Mammalia, one common character. Now order is primates, they are the primates. Then the family is Hominidae and genus is Homo and species is Sapiens. See Homo, H is capital letter, Sapiens में species, Sapiens is small letter. So just like binomial nomenclature, we should write the scientific name. So this is the classification of human. If we see the classification of plant, one plant mango, so see the kingdom Plantae. Mango का kingdom क्या होगा? Plantae. And the division should be, यहाँ पे division यूज करेंगे, तो division should be angiospermae because they bear the seed and seed is covered with seed coat. Okay, so angiosperm, and they are the flowering plant. So that's why mango comes in the angiosperm division. Then they bear a two cotyledonous seed, so the class is dicot. The class for mango plant is dicot or dicotyledonous. Okay. Then the order is Sapinidales, family is Anarchidaceae, and genus is Mangifera, species is Indica. So this is the classification of mango plant, and each ranking, each level is a taxon. Okay, here species is a single taxon, genus is a taxon, family is a taxon, order is a taxon, class is a single taxon, phylum or division is a taxon, and kingdom is a taxon. Each are different taxon and they show a ranking system. The species is the lowest taxon. सबसे छोटा जो हायरार्ची में होता है वो स्पीसीज है, एंड द हाईएस्ट टैक्सॉन इज किंगडम. सो दिस इज द 7 कैटेगरी ऑफ हायरार्चिकल सिस्टम बाय व्हिच वी क्लासिफाई ऑल द ऑर्गेनिज्म एंड जस्ट लाइक दिस: किंगडम, फाइलम, क्लास, ऑर्डर, फैमिली, जीनस एंड स्पीसीज. सो डियर क्लास, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट वीडियो नंबर 5 and topic taxonomical category and hierarchy. In the next video, video number 6, we will study about the taxonomical acts. Thank you.